Today, you'll learn how you can embed any video inside of your WordPress posts and pages. I will show you 3 different methods using the Gutenberg page builder, the classic WordPress editor, and how you can insert it manually. So let's get started. First, I will show you how you can embed a video using Gutenberg page builder. This is the page builder that WordPress comes with by default. First, we need to add another block. So hit plus and search for video. You can use any of those widgets, but technically they are doing kind of the same thing. So I will stick with video and insert from URL. And I will copy the shareable link from this video and paste it here. And enter. And if we preview, you see our video here. The nice thing about the video widget inside of the Gutenberg is that you can align the video if you want to, and also make it wider. So for example, if I will click the wide width, it will be larger than the default width that this theme offers. So if I hit preview, you'll see my video here is wider than the content. Also, you can make it full width if you want. So that's how you can add the video using the Gutenberg. Next, I will be showing you how you can do this using the classic WordPress editor, and to do that I have to activate WP Bakery in my plugins, because that will remove the Gutenberg page builder and will activate the classic page builder. So I'll click activate, go to posts and test post. The classic editor has a really nice feature called auto embed. And if you go to a new line and just paste your shareable YouTube link here, you'll see it will auto create the iframe for your video. And if we go to preview changes, you will see my video here. The disadvantage of this method is that you cannot control the width of the video like we have in the Gutenberg page builder, but that can be resolved with a bit of CSS. And the other method that I want to show you is using an iframe, which is basically what the auto embed is doing, and also the video widget inside of the Gutenberg. But with the iframe, you will have more control on the width, on the height of the video. So to do that, if you want to embed a YouTube video, you click here on embed, and you'll have the iframe here. You can just copy it and go to text editor and paste your iframe here. And if you go to visual, you see I have this here. Let's just delete this for now. And this is my iframe. And you see is not the same width as the content. But we can play with the settings, like we can have the width to be 100%. See, my video now is the same width as the content. If you want to have more control over the dimensions of your video, you can use the iframe. If you want to insert a video from a different video platform using an iframe, you can easily do that by going inside of your text editor here and just switching the src tag here, and that will be enough. That's it for this video. If you have any additional questions, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you like my content, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.